Aloha and welcome to Caddell Cuisine. My name is Nadia Caddell. I'm a personal chef on the island of Kaua'i, and today I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks for a pumpkin spice espresso martini. To start us off, we're going to add vodka to our shaker, and then we're going to add some coffee liqueur. I've already made my fresh espresso shots and let those cool off to the side, but this is a good time to start doing that. If you don't have access to fresh espresso, you can always use cold brew, or in a pinch you can also use instant espresso. Just follow the directions on the bottle when you do that. The next thing we're going to do is add our pumpkin puree. One of the little things or tips that I like to use pumpkin puree with is after I've opened up a can, I always like to transfer it into a glass bottle and then put that in the refrigerator so that I can always remember to use it for another recipe, whether it's pumpkin muffins or pumpkin creamer. You can always kind of remember to see that there. Next, we're going to use heavy cream. If you are lactose intolerant or you just don't do dairy, you can go ahead and substitute this for a full fat canned coconut milk or coconut cream. The next thing we're going to do is add that vanilla extract. I always feel like this adds to the fall flavor. And next we're going to do maple syrup. If you're sensitive to the sweetness level, you can always do less of this, or if you like things sweeter, you can always do more. If you just don't do maple syrup, you can always do monk fruit or stevia or whatever you naturally sweeten your coffee drinks with. Next, we're going to shake this about 20 to 30 seconds. Or if you're like me, maybe you forgot your pumpkin spice, now is a good time to add a dash of that. And it's not a big deal, we're just going to go ahead and shake it and fully incorporate everything all over again. Now you're going to grab your coupe glass. If you really want to get extra fancy with this, you can always chill this beforehand or add ice to it. If not, you can do just like I'm doing and strain it. And this creates a beautiful latte creamy texture for this espresso martini. After you've poured that all out, now it's time to garnish. You can garnish it like we do with our typical espresso martini with 3 coffee beans or espresso beans. Or you can follow my notes and kind of add a pumpkin spice and maple rim to it. It's completely up to you. Enjoy all of the fall flavors. Aloha!